Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, 8 sign. This is your reading January bi-weekly and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see your messages and what's coming for you. Gemini, 8 sign. What's going on? Seven of Cups, Five of Swords and Nine of Cups. Yeah. Eight of Swords, Five of Pentacles, the Magician. Six of Wands. It's you, Gemini. You're getting recognition for your work. You're very attractive. See, definitely you are getting success in every area of your life, especially in your working area. You are getting success and you are getting recognition for your work. Okay. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Seven of Cups, Five of Swords, Nine of Cups. Yeah. Maybe there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. Maybe there are some disturbances between both of you. You have options also. Seven of Cups. Maybe you are in some confusion state also. Take what resonates and leave the rest. And Five of Swords with Seven of Cups. Definitely there are some disturbances. Maybe your person seeing other options also. But Nine of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted. Okay. Because you are manifesting. Right now you are in energy of the Magician. You are manifesting everything in your life. So what you are wishing is going to be granted. Because Nine of Cups with Magician. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. Be careful before wishing anything. And yeah, right now Eight of Swords with Five of Pentacles and the Magician. Maybe you are stuck on your person. Maybe there are some separation between you and your person. For some there is no contact also, because Five of Pentacles with Eight of Swords. You are feeling stuck. Literally you are feeling stuck, Gemini. But you overcome that energy. The Magician is here and now you are in this energy. Okay, don't worry about this energy, because you will overcome this and will become Magician and you will manifest. Your wishes are going to be granted. I think some positive shifts are coming in your way. Yeah, there is separation. There is Tower moment for you, because Four of Cups with the Tower. You are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Yeah, you are in so much pain with this Tower moment. Yeah, but they are coming back. Someone from past is coming back. I think it's your past person, Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. Yeah, they're coming back with passion. Maybe what I'm getting here, the separation is due to there is no consistency in this connection. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. This is on and off connection. That's why there is some resistance in this connection. You are feeling insecure because there is no consistency. There is no constant communication between both of you, because when they want they will come, when they don't want they will go. So that type of energy that's create the Tower moment. What I'm getting here, for some it could be third party situation also. Yeah, separation. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, 8 sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, 5 sign. But you are getting success and you are very attractive. That's why they are coming back. They are very attracted to you, Gemini. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Again, Nine of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted and they are also wishing for this connection. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings. Two cards fell down. Okay, two cards. That's why I'm not taking. If it is one, I will take, but there are two cards. So let's see your person current feelings, Gemini. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Maybe they played game with you. They are very sneaky. They maybe lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely they did something wrong to you. Seven of Swords energy. Miscommunication, false communication. Yeah, that's why the separation had happened between both of you. Yeah, death. Maybe they know you are going to be end. Maybe you are trying to move on from this person. They are undergoing some transformation right now. Queen of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion involved. You are King of Wands. These are Queen of Wands because you got no King of Wands. Knight of Wands is here. Yeah, Queen of Wands and the King of Cups. Yeah, they have love for you. Definitely for some, they now recognizing your worth. They have love for you. King of Cups, they want to offer this love to you. And Queen of Wands, maybe they are also very strong personality. They stand by their power. They are also very grounded. Maybe some ego problems for some between both of you. But King of Cups is here. Definitely they have love for you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Gemini, let's see your person near future actions. Again, 8 of Swords. Yeah, they're stuck on you. They don't know. That's why I think they will take action, but it will take some time because right now your person feeling stuck. Or for some, when they're thinking about you, they're feeling stuck. And 6 of Pentacles, near future actions, King of Swords and the World. This could be long distance relationship. The time cycles are going to be repeating between again and again between you and your person. And King of Swords. Yeah, they will communicate you. They will give clarity. Maybe this time they want to express their true feelings to you, Gemini. They want to be honest with you and they really want to offer equal give and take. I think in past there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person is very dominative in this connection. But now they want to offer equal give and take. Yeah. Communication is coming. They really want to offer equal give and take. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Gemini. Yeah, there is a lot of drama. 5 of Swords, maybe they backstabbed you, maybe they cheated on you, definitely. But they're trying to manifest again in their life. Magician energy. And 10 of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability. Yeah, they did something wrong to you, but now they're realizing your worth. They hurt you back, but now we want you back. Lot of Earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. 7 of Swords. Queen of Cups. I think you are not taking any decision right now, even though they are approaching you, Gemini, because you know they are manipulative. They played games with you for some. Because 7 of Swords, you have emotions for your person too. Queen of Cups. Page of Wands, some communication. One person may be younger than the other person in this connection. One person is very good looking. Definitely some communication is coming in your way. They may be spying on you on social media. But you know that they are playing games with you, mind games. 7 of Swords energy. This is very sneaky. Maybe you are taking time to take decision regarding this relationship. Yeah. They're coming back. Some communication is coming towards you. But you are not rushing. What I'm getting here. So let's see your overall energy. Gemini. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, you do have emotions for your person. Right now you are concentrating on your career. Yeah, maybe you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. 9 of Wands. Maybe you right now you are guarded. Even though you are thinking about your person, you are guarded up right now. Because you have time. You want time to make decision even though you have emotions for your person. So let's see your person overall energy. Gemini. Ace of Wands, they want brand new beginnings with you. 3 of Swords, 2 of Wands. Again, I think they know they did something wrong to you. Definitely your person is sneaky. The same message coming again and again, this reading almost 3 times. So be careful. If you know already your person is sneaky, played games with you, they are putting in third party. Maybe this is alert from universe. So it's up to you what to do. But it is coming again and again. So be careful. And definitely they are thinking about you a lot. Maybe they are missing you so much. Ace of Wands. They want brand new beginnings. Okay. If he is a player, he will come again and again and again. Okay. So it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So let's see some message from universe, moon oracle deck for you, Gemini. That's why you're taking your time. That's why you're not. Prosperity lies ahead. Definitely there is something big is coming in your way. Money, your money is growing. Definitely some prosperity lies ahead. Yeah. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.